Alright guys, so it's third day today. At the moment we're just going to head to the camera shop and then we're going on the boat and I'm not sure what else we're doing, so yeah. So I was going to get a lens from the shop, but we're going to get an external hard drive instead because I really need space on my laptop. Oh my god, so we nearly got trapped. So I put my bag in the door, luckily it opened, otherwise we would have been trapped. Gosh, ridiculously hot today. I reckon it's like 35 degrees. Toby, how hot do you think it is?
Calling it 31.
31.
But it's just humid as.
Yeah, I know.
So it feels like you got a jumper on.
It looks so nice. Cool lattes. Smooth. Oh. So we just got a refund for the lens and now we're going to go get the hard drive from the actual store. So it's like one of the biggest camera stores around. B&H. Don't know what it stands for, but I just can't believe how big it is. If you come to America and New York, you definitely work onto this store. They got everything. You want external? Dad, they're back there. Dad, they're here. Internal. Oh, it's internal. Oh, road microphones. So much stuff. What? Look at that. Woo. Thank you. Thank you. You got an external hard drive, 2 terabytes. Yeah, put Toby in there. Bin.
You need to go in there, get you a piece of white trash.
Oh yeah. Thank God.
Circle Line crew, Landmark crews.
Who's this book? Let's go. This is pretty cool. Loads of people. Can we go on the edge or something?
Just go here.
Nah, I want to go on the edge.
Made your Lego hat, put it on. Free to move about the boat at any time. If they're on the boat because you brought them on board.
What even is this guy talking?
Ever since, oh, is it?
Look at this.
Out there somewhere in this boat, even on the clear day. What
Sick
can we see?
views.
Same thing we see. Look at this. It's called the Beast. It's actually well good. Toby, did you enjoy it?
No hablo inglés.
What?
No hablo inglés.
Toby, you're not Spanish. It's like London. City sightseeing.
Hey look, that building's bigger than your vlogging career.
Oh my god. School fights. 2K16.
Wait for the camera.
Alright, so we just finished the boat trip and it was actually so cool. And now I think we're gonna get food and this is where we're going. It's called Sunak. Wow, this is actually quite nice. Well, it's got sandwiches, salad, get some flowers. What should I get? So hard to decide. So much food. $9.
That's good.
Not sushi, not that. I'm gonna get the buffet. What? Oh. Oh, they got meatballs. Whoever knows me, my nickname is Meatball, so shout out to that. Oh, what the hell are they?
You filming?
Oh,
Got a bit much.
I think I've gone over.
Wait, let's see how much I got.
Wait, let's compare. Well,
I got an egg because I felt like it.
I just got a load of chicken. Went over by a bit. Shit. Oh.
Here.
Let's get the fruit.
So a piece of watermelon each. Oh, I don't like kiwi.
I like kiwi. Just a few, please, cars. God. Oh my god. I don't want to get in trouble here.
A full on bloody assault rifle in the middle of the street. Like, what the fuck? Who does that?
Better not mess around in America.
Only in
The hell is wet? Why is it wet? Oh, okay. That's why.
Do you know what the Spanish call H&M?
What?
H-E-M-E.
Literally every car is black here, pretty much, and then yellow cabs. Starting at 1.37 million. Holy crap. Alright, so at the moment it's 3:25. We're just eating, and I think now we're gonna go and buy Toby some shoes, and I might look at some as well. So yeah. Fancy a ride? We could hop on one of these bad boys. Oh. Beep 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 beep. It's pretty much what it feels like. It's kind of raining at the moment. Now we're going to Converse and look for shoes for Toby. Nice. What are you looking at, Toby? Oh, Toby, get these.
They're the regular ones.
Toby, get these. Get these yellow.
These
What do you mean they're ripped? What?
These are the skate ones. They're pro skate ones.
There was thunder and lightning earlier. I think it's going to rain. Maybe, maybe not. So it started raining. I'm going to have to put the camera away. I'll come back soon. Oh my god, it started raining badly. This went then. Oh.
The ladder track. The ladder track.
Kind of broke the umbrella. Yeah, so we're basically back at the hotel now. Probably call the vlog here, I reckon. So thank you so much for watching this. Another vlog tomorrow. Probably be better tomorrow because I think we're going to a baseball game. Cheers for watching.